Well, hello, and welcome to unit number 6 in our Developing Requests for Proposals, RFP courses. Unit 6 is where you think about time. And there's a number of things you need to think about. And in the Unit 6 worksheet, I've listed a number of things you need to think about. For example, usually we make a little timeline. When do you want to send out the RFPs? How much time do you want to give the person to respond to the RFPs? How much time do you want to allow for the team to review the RFPs? If you're going to do interviews, how much time do you want to donate or have available for interviewing potential clients? Usually, what happens with that, if you get a lot of respondents, usually most people will pick the top three based on cost and qualifications, and then interview them. And then what date do you want to have made a selection by? And then how much time for contracting and all that stuff to get done so they get a proceed order to start working. And then also in the time is when do you want things done? When do you want various phases of the project completed, if that's appropriate for your project. So it's nice to work out a timeline of all the things that you want to have happen, so you can kind of track and have them in your RFP. In upcoming sections, we're going to talk more about things like invoicing and payments and things like that. But here, I just want you to spend some time thinking about your organization. If you're going to actually do an RFP, you can actually put in real dates. Otherwise, you might make a checklist or make a rough draft of a timeline and put the task, but just leave the date box empty, to be determined. And I think that'll help you think about the whole timing effort. So that's what we have for this unit. It's to think about developing a timeline, sending out the RFP, getting responses in, reviewing the qualifications, reviewing the budgets. And we will be talking about budgets, I believe, in the next unit as well, as what do things cost and how long do things actually take, as a way to go back and check your timeline. So I know we kind of go slow, but when you're writing RFPs, you want to have as much detail and thought as possible in it, and I think this will help you do really good, manageable RFPs. So that's it for Unit 6. I'll see you here for Unit number 7. Have a good one.